Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie the First. General Saiba Barrow here with a message of truth that cuts deep. This is where we separate the boys from the men. This is where true leaders, kings, are forged in truth and integrity. Emperor Haile Selassie the First said, to be in first place, one must be first in merit as well. So if we take a look at those those that's reaching success and that's just going places in life, but at what cost are they doing it? And then we got kids that is looking up towards these kind of individuals. So it's up to us to, in whatever we do, if we come first place, if we strive for first place, we must do it with integrity, so that our conscience does not bother us. So let us be true to what we believe, so that our beliefs may serve and honor us. Let us not be like those who do whatever it takes to get to the top. But once they get to the top, then they don't know how to get their life back. Then they are like those who they hate the most. So let us be true, let us be real, and let us be sincere in our going out and in our coming in. In everything we do, let us do it with integrity. If you can't do it with integrity, then rather leave it. Because what example are you setting to the future generations and to the young ones that is looking up to you? And if you are in a position of power or influence, or you are on the way to the top, making it in whatever arena of life it may be, and you're doing it without integrity, just know that is a bitch move. Because a weak-minded man will do anything to get to the top. But once he get to the top, how is he going to conduct himself? So that's the message. To be first in place, you must be first in merit as well. That means you got to walk with integrity, be an example to others, to follow your path. If people can't follow your path, then just know you've wasted an entire life. So with that being said, let us step into the fire and come join General Saivo Barrow in liberating the minds of the masses. Haile Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie the First, the fountain of knowledge, Jah Rastafari, Sila.